Now I'm going to show you this template set here that makes this beautiful angel. Now these angel boxes you can do in various sizes, and I'll show you the templates in a second. Now you can turn this into a box and put little things in there. You could turn it into an advent calendar and have 25 of these all lined up with little presents in, or you could hang them on the tree and have little presents inside. There's no glue involved, they slot together really easily, or you could use them for putting the battery operated candles in and have little angel night lights. Anyway, this is what you're going to get in the download set. There's the first one, that is your A4 there, A4, that makes that size of angel. Then you've got this one, the next size down, that's the large medium, and you get 2 on there. Then you can print out this one if you want this size of angel, that's the medium. Then you've got the small, and you get 4 templates there. These would be really good for doing all sorts of things. Buntings, little angels. You could put your fairy lights inside them even. Then you've got the mini ones. These would be really handy to use for various crafting projects. Now you've also got the ability to do an A3 size. Now you've got 2 options here, whether you use the A4 and join it together, or if you've got an A3 printer, print it out directly. It's all in the folder. So if you've only got an A4 printer, well then you can print from the file the 2 sides there and then just put a little bit of masking tape and just stick those 2 together. Or if you've got the A3 printer, you can print them out in a full A3 size. And that is your template set to make those beautiful angels.